Hi guys, welcome back once again. In this video we will see how to find first repeated character of the string. So let's understand question first. So find first repeated character of string. Okay, so let's consider I have this string str and the value is welcome. Okay, so if I am telling you find the first repeated character, okay, repeated character of the string, so what is repeating here? You can see E, right? So I can write here, I can print E. Okay, so E is the answer. If let's consider if once I am giving this string, okay, so still my answer will be E because it's occurring after E only, right? So if I got here W, now my answer will be replaced by W, right? So what we will be doing, we will write two for loop to with and we will start matching with everyone. Once the condition will be true, it will match, it will return, break the loop, and it will come out of the loop. Okay, so let's write program for that. So C and print first repeat character, right? So now let's get string first. So enter a string. Okay, so let's declare a string str size 100. Let's get this string. So here I can write also one more thing, gets. Okay, instead of writing a scanf, I can write gets and I will get the string. Okay, so let me print string is and percentages and here str. Okay, so we are verifying that, so I have to put here comma. Okay, so welcome, you can see I am getting welcome. Okay, so we are good with this. Now let's create a for loop. I start from 0 and it will go up to string length of str, now I plus plus. Okay, next I will start from the next element, so I plus 1 and it will go up to, it will be less than to string length of str. Okay, now j plus plus. Okay, so we got this one. Now I will write one condition, if string of I equal to string of j, that means they matched, it's found two value, more than one value. Okay, so what I will write here, so let me create one more variable to store the value. So first repeated character. Okay, and type is going to be character. Okay, and let me declare one more variable, found equal to 0 for first of all. So what I will do, when I will come means I found first value, so I will store into first repeated character and I will store into this one. Okay, I stored, and now I will make found equal to 1 and I will break the loop. when I will break the loop, I will come out of this inner for loop, right? This loop. So here I can write, because I wanted to get off of here as well. So I can write if found equal to 1. That means we already have founded our loop. So break this loop as well. Okay. Now we came out. And now here I can write if otherwise let's print it. Okay. Let's printf. So first repeated character of a string is, and here this value is going to be C. That means the first value is str and second is first repeated character. Okay, let me execute this program. So I haven't declared this I and j variable, so let me do this int I comma j. That's it. Execute this program. Now let me enter welcome. So first repeated character of welcome is E, right? It's working fine, right? Let me give another one repeated element. So let me write ww and write anything. It doesn't mean, it will return you w. Okay, so let me write wwee. So still I should get w only. So we are right. But what if the none of these numbers are repeating? So let me enter a. So what I am getting? I am getting empty here. So in that condition, I can write here one more condition. If found equal to 1, that means it's already got this element, then only it have to print this value. Okay, means it's already founded. Otherwise, what I can write, I can give a message that print no repetition of character has been found, right? So repeated. Okay, let me make it as a repeated character has been found. Okay, so let me save it. Oh, semicolon at last. Save it and execute. Enter a string. So I am entering A, S, D. So there is no repetition. So you can see no repeated character has been found. Okay. So if I am trying to enter welcome, okay, and with here W, you can see first repeated character of this string is W. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.